In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to set up, deposit, and withdraw on Telegram wallet. So first you need to locate and open your Telegram app. And when we're open, you're going to look at the top left corner of your screen where you see the hamburger menu or the three dashes. So you're going to click on it. And then here in the menu, you can see My Wallet right here. So you have to click on My Wallet next. You're going to agree to the terms of use. And now you have the welcome message. You're going to click on Let's Go. And right here, you can see that we have set up our Telegram wallet. So if we want to deposit into a Telegram wallet, we can go ahead and select the cryptocurrency we would like to deposit. So we're going to select Bitcoin here. And when we get here, we're going to click on Receive because we're trying to deposit. Right here, you can see the QR code and the alphanumeric code. All you have to do is to click on copy address. And when you have this address copied, you can send this to someone who would be sending Bitcoin for you, or you could paste this in another exchange that you would like to send from. So the next thing we're going to show you is how to withdraw on Telegram wallet. Now, if you would like to withdraw from your Bitcoin, all you need to do is to click on send. Of course, we don't have any Bitcoin currently, but if you want to withdraw on your Telegram wallet here in Bitcoin, you can just go ahead and click on the send icon and it's going to take you to the details. So this is how to set up deposit and withdraw on Telegram wallet.